Anyway, guys, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Wednesday, happy 2026. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. And without me wasting your time, let's get to start off today. So, guys, people are worried in Gotandega. People are saying, what is going on in Gotandega? People went on to say, guys, have you noticed that Tandega has come? She has not been shouting. So, people want to know what is going on with Tandega. I feel like the reason why we are not getting the Tandega we are used to is because what Big Brother said to her on Sunday on the direct section. Guys, Big Brother said to Tandega, we are not equal. I don't take instruction from housemate. All housemate needs to feel welcome. So she said to Millie, when she was talking to Millie, guys, a lot of things has happened to Tandega this week. Firstly, on Sunday, was Smash exposed Tandega, guys, and she was embarrassed. You can tell she was embarrassed, even though she acted as if she's fine. On Monday, you can see she doesn't like drama. On Monday, on the nomination, guys, Uliema nominated her, and she didn't nominate Uliema. Yesterday, they were busy reading the letter, guys. She didn't even write any letter to Didi, to Liema, guys. She only wrote one letter to Meli, guys. You can see Uguti this week she's avoiding drama. She told Meli Uguti Ubiki says she needs to reflect. You know, she said this week she's doing a damage control. No wonder why she's not making noise, she's not shouting. The only time when she was shouting, she was playing with Ilano, guys. So I thought this is the Tandega you wanted, guys, but it seems like you want her to cause drama. She decided to do a self-reflection, you know, because everybody is complaining about her. She needs to understand why everyone is complaining about me, saying I'm not clean, I'm dirty, you know, I don't do this, I don't do that. What is wrong with me, you know? So I feel like this week she's focusing on herself, guys, you know, and people are saying it's a good thing, but some are saying we are not used to this Tandega. We are used to Tandega always giving us a drama. Mara, guys, this week Uliema, she's giving you drama. Yesterday she wrote a horrible letter to Q. She was trending, you know, she was talking about Tandega, you know, she was talking about a lot of stuff, you know, but you guys are still not happy. You want Tandega to give you drama. Uliema, she's giving you drama. Allow the Queen of England to give you drama, guys. Next week it will be Tandega. This week is Liema. Let's give our young girl Liema to shine, guys. As for Tandega, she's already done with her strategy, so now she's waiting for the 2 million rand. I'm just kidding, guys. I don't know. Just hoping for anyone to win the 2 million rand, whether it's Ashe, Liema, Tandega. I know who I'm voting for. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment, say happy Wednesday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.